What's going on, everybody? It's Joseph here. In today's video, we're going to talk about what wholesaling means in regards to real estate and how you could get started doing this method today. Now, the first and most important thing when it comes to wholesaling is to make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But guys, on a serious note, let's jump into exactly what wholesaling is when it comes to real estate. When explained in plain English, it's actually very simple. Wholesaling basically means I know somebody that wants to sell a property, whether that's because they have financial issues, they have family issues, or they just want to get rid of the property altogether, and they're willing to sell it for a good deal. So I know somebody that wants to sell their home. So basically, I have a good deal. I sell that good deal to somebody else who comes in and purchases that deal and goes ahead and either flips it or does what's called a buy and hold, which I'm a personal fan of. But basically, in a nutshell, that's what wholesaling is. Now, a lot of the times you don't even actually purchase the property. You literally just have a contract from somebody saying they're willing to sell this property for this much amount of money, and then you turn around and sell that piece of paper. Oftentimes in the same day, you purchase that sheet of paper, and then you sell it to somebody in the same day. They go to the closing with their own money, and they turn around and give you a commission fee for finding that property for them. Now, that fee can range from anywhere between $5,000 and upwards of $25,000. Depending on the deal. Now, I know some people are saying, I can't even find one deal. How are people doing this wholesaling business and selling tons of deals? Now, I will jump into that a little bit more in a later video, but there are ways that people are finding deals like crazy to the point where they can't even take care of these deals themselves, which is why they turn to things like wholesaling and basically trying to get whatever they can out of these deals instead of just letting them go to waste. Now, wholesaling is a great way for you to get into the real estate game if you have little to no money to invest yourself. So basically, all you have to do as a wholesaler is find motivated sellers and connect them with motivated buyers, and then the buyer turns around and gives you a fee for finding that motivated seller for them. But there it is, guys. That's wholesaling in a nutshell. If you guys found any value in this video, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But guys, as always, don't forget to talk less and do more. I'll see you guys in the next video.